Guys, this is Tina. Just a really super quick video just to give you a kind of update, really. Just to say that I've got a couple of printed versions of items in my shop at the moment. I don't kind of go mad printing them out because obviously you never know kind of, you know, how many people would want to buy them, because mainly they're kind of heavyish, really. I mean, particularly the Fabulous Flowers, because that's a 24-page printout, which obviously it's printed on the 160 GSM cardstock, so it's kind of quite weighty to post. So, you know, I'm aware that the postage costs are kind of, you know, not ideal really for the kind of printed versions. But I just wanted to let you know that I've got a printed version of my Gorgeous Girls kit. So again, it's just printed onto the ivory cardstock, you know, 160 GSM card. And you've got obviously the 5 kind of background pages as well. And they're all kind of printed single-sided. So I've got those. And then in addition to that, there's also a printed copy of my Fabulous Flowers kit, which again, you've got the 5 background papers, and then you've got 19 pages of the flowers themselves. And again, they're all printed on the 160 GSM ivory cardstock. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of come and let you know, because I know that I've had a couple of people inquire, and I have sold a few kind of printed copies of other things, because I know that not everybody's got access to a printer, and obviously ink is very, very expensive. So, you know, I just thought it was something helpful to offer. So I'm just letting you know really that I've got printed copies of, one printed copy of the Fabulous Flowers and one printed copy of the Gorgeous Girls, and they're both for sale in my Etsy. Obviously I can produce more, so I mean, if they're gone, you know, if they were sold and you wanted a copy, then do let me know, and you know, I can obviously run you off a copy, and you know, we'll kind of sort it out for you. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of come on very quickly and just let you know that they're available. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I see you all again soon. That must be my shortest video ever, I'm sure. So thanks very much then. Bye.